Hi friends, welcome back. Thanks so much for watching. Today's tutorial is going to be this Chinese staircase braid. This is one of my favorite braids. It's so unique and so interesting. Just part your hair on one side and then take some mousse, gel, or hairspray and just smooth it out. I'm going to be using a bungee just to make a low ponytail. I also use another one on top. Sometimes that helps it just stay in better. Then I'm going to cover the bungee with a little piece of hair. Just take some more mousse or gel and then just smooth it through the small piece and then wrap it around the ponytail. Now here's the fun part. You're going to take a small piece on one side and go under, making a loop underneath like this, and then up and around and tie it into a knot. Then you can either just continue with that same piece or add very small pieces to the other piece that you started with, and then just do the same thing. Just take the small piece of hair under the ponytail and then bring it up and around, making a loop and pulling it through. You can either add pieces or just use this small piece that you've already taken and just keep using it until you run out of hair. I prefer to add little teeny tiny pieces to it because I feel like it stays in better and it looks better. So once you get to where you can turn it around, if you have long hair like me, you can throw your hair over your shoulder and it's just a whole lot easier to work with this way. Just continue that same pattern all the way down. Once you're done, just take an elastic and you're going to tie off the ends. I like these ones from Goody. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this. You can take a mirror and just see the back of it. I love this braid. Look how sleek it is and it's tight. It is the most cool braid. I am obsessed. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe below. Just hit the red button and you'll be subscribed. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.